All right, guys, we've got the Outis 600-piece oil change reminder stickers. These are absolutely amazing. 2 inches by 2 inches. And I think these are great if you change your own oil or if you just want to make sure you're always doing it right. So they easily tear off, as you can see right here. I've got one. And then what you can do is, let's see, it's, all right, say 11, 9, 2024, or 50,000. So, as you can see, we've got the date 11/9/2024 or 115,269 miles. So these are great. You have 600 of these, and the number I'm seeing on the product page there makes this an incredible value. All you do is you just peel off the back like so, and then this will just stick right on your windshield in that upper left corner. So I think these are amazing, super easy to use. Definitely gonna do the trick. Highly recommend. 600.